Hi Phatfour owners, I will show you today the FLX display and all its functionalities. First you will switch on the display by turning it on the button on the top. And here you will see the display. On the left there's a battery indicator. It shows you how much percentage is left of the battery. In the middle you will see the speed. It will show you exactly in kilometers per hour how much speed you are riding at the moment. And here is a 0, it means the level assist. If you press plus, you will see it goes up, and it goes up all to 9. All the different levels of assist will have a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour. But in the lower levels, the power is reduced when you go faster. In the middle, it will go up, and on the top levels, it will always give maximum power until you will reach 25 kilometers an hour. If you press plus for a couple of seconds, you will see a headlight sign, and the headlight will go on, and the tail light also will go on. If you press minus for a long while, it will go on walk assist, so the bike will start riding like this, and you see the bike is already starting to move. Here you see your consumption at the moment. So when you're cycling, you will see how much watt-hour per kilometers you are getting. The FLX will come in two different types, in 500 watt-hours and 750 watt-hours. And if you use 10 watt-hours per kilometer, you will get like 50 kilometers out of the standard range battery and 75 kilometers on the larger battery. Well, next thing we will show you is the trip. If you press this button, you will see you can change between trip, your total odo, your average speed, your average consumption, and your range. The range is calculated for 50% by the total average consumption, and for 50% by the last consumption of the last 5 minutes. And as soon as the battery gets more empty, it will take the last couple of minutes more into account than your total average consumption. And that is because when you have a wind in your head, you want to know, can I still reach home? Okay, next I will show you is how to reset the trip. You can do this with the trip, with the odo, with the average speed, or with the average consumption. And if you press mode for a couple of seconds, you will see everything is reset. But when you do this, when you are in range mode, you will see that the range will go here instead of the battery percentage. If you want to do it back, press mode for a long while and it changes back. So last but not least, there is a hidden menu. If you press this twice, you will see here some different information. Here you see the software version. Oh, after 10 seconds it will go back. So the latest software version is 61. And here you will see the last numbers of your frame number. So if you buy a Phatfour second hand, you can look up the frame number and on the frame, but also on the bike as well. So that were all the features. I hope you will enjoy riding the Phatfour FLX. Thank you very much. Bye.